Hey guys, welcome to moving vlog part 1. I still don't know how many parts it's going to have, but I think it's just going to be 2 parts. So this video in particular is just going to be me packing and showing you guys the things that I have gotten done. As you can see, there's already stuff moved around. This video may be all over the place, so I'm just going to start showing you guys the first few clips of me packing and selling stuff, because if you've been following me on Instagram, you then know that I sold almost everything. Like, for example, my couch, my bed, my TV stand. The TV is currently in a box. Everything is a hot mess, all right? Everything's a hot mess, but that's the art of moving. I got so many questions asking why did I decide to sell almost all of my big furniture that I've purchased myself. And honestly, it was just because I wanted to start fresh. I wanted to start new. I wanted to decorate like with both of our tastes and not so much of a girly taste, even though, you know, most of the items will be picked by me. But yeah, I don't know, new apartment, I just wanted to start fresh. I learned to let go and stop having like this attachment to materialistic things, because at the end of the day, everything can be replaced. Anything can happen to very special, valuable furniture pieces that you may have. So I've learned to not have such a attachment to them, and honestly it's just really liberating to let go and start new and fresh. So yeah, that's basically the main reason I decided to sell most of the stuff. They were all in pretty good shape, so I feel like they went to great homes, and the ones that purchased them will enjoy them as much as I did, hopefully. So with that being said, let's show you guys the things that I've gotten done and then catch up right here. Wow. Not gonna miss that. Let's move on. You guys, it is official. The couch is being picked up right now. I'm gonna miss it so much, but hopefully we can upgrade or get a bigger and fluffier couch. Even though this was honestly amazing, it's a futon and it has storage. If you're wondering why that's so clean, it's because I got everything out of it since they're coming to pick it up right now. Put all the pillows in here and just all of the stuff that I had just shoved in there. Yesterday, someone came and picked up the ottoman that I had right here. Another great thing that I truly loved. I literally almost forgot, but this is also being picked up. Another thing I'm gonna miss, and I need to like empty everything out before she gets here, so going to get to that. Another thing I just remembered as being picked up is the chess. Excuse all of this reality, to be honest. I had to like make pretend that my life is normal for a sponsored video, so this is me. Alright, packed up everything in the TV stand, which were mostly video games, and then the other one was just like miscellaneous stuff that I honestly need to declutter. But this is what that's looking like. Put the TV there for now and moved the TV stand closer to the door, so when they come it's like easier. And then I have been giving out a couple of makeup to the girls that have been purchasing stuff for me. So one will be going to the TV stand and the other one will be going to the girl that got the couch. And just like that, the couch and TV stand are gone. Oh my god. I need to organize this.
What is that?
This is
I want to hear it.
a hot mess. Pam had the greatest idea.
What was the idea? I am dying to hear
I
it.
told her while we pack the books, she should get started with the kitchen and clean out what she doesn't want so we know to pack the rest. That is
It was okay because
Genius!
it's gonna
Maestra! Alright, so the closet is completely, well, not completely, I need clothes for the weekend, and my shoes are also packed. Shoes for the weekend. But now I'm just going to work on what I want kitchen related. All right, so we are back to real time. Today is Tuesday, the day before moving day. Tomorrow we're moving, and there's a lot to get done still. So the things that I have gotten done are whatever I had in the TV stand. I packed that, as you saw. I also packed the stuff that were in the sectional ottoman parts, the ottoman itself here that I didn't really show, but that was sold as well. And under my bed I had 2 containers, so these things right here, filled with my winter clothes. And I also packed that in boxes, and then some of the stuff in the kitchen because I am going to be getting rid of some of my kitchen stuff as well. I know. Eric's like, Natalie, are we just going on a shopping spree? You know. So now what I'm going to be packing is my beauty stuff, and just like my makeup, beauty and skincare, hair care, and all that stuff. And I wanted to declutter it before packing it because I don't want to bring things that I'm not going to be using to the place, which was the main reason why I decided to sell so many items. Because if I was going to sell it in the long run, why not just get rid of it right now? Because moving furniture, like big pieces, it's so annoying to bring down, bring up again, and just like all the U-Hauls that you have to get, you know? Even though we still need to get a U-Haul for the pieces that I have left, which are, if you're wondering, my desk. This I'm keeping. I got so many questions about my desk. I honestly love my desk. It's from Target, and I feel like it's the perfect size, and right now it's so hard to find desks since so many people are working remote. And then I also have my dresser. Let me show you guys this room. So we have this dresser that has most of Eric's clothing, and then my 3 Alex 9 drawers. Everything, it's such a mess, you guys. Oh, I also packed my shoes, most of my shoes. I just kept some because I went away for the weekend and I needed some like dressy shoes. But let's declutter my closet right here. So this is where I keep my backup stuff, linen closet slash pantry, and I keep all of my backup products right here. So I'm going to declutter this and pack it up. All right, so this is pretty much empty, and now all of the products are right here. So I'm going to look over these and declutter. Update. It has been a couple hours. I forgot how much work packing took, so I just didn't vlog it. I'm sorry. It's just so hard to move the camera around every single angle when you want to get things done as quickly as possible, but technically everything is out of the drawers right now. So we took everything out of these and out of these, and then we took the makeup brushes, my mirror, the shelves as well, and then my jewelry. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, because if I take it out, it's going to like ruin the paint. So I think I'm just gonna leave it there and hope for the best. But next I just have to put this away, as well as my nail polish. So yeah, what else? This is the current state of the apartment, and we're trying to take some things to the apartment right now. Eric is bringing the car so we can take a couple boxes over there so it's easier tomorrow. But look what happened to the wall, dude. I think that's gonna be a problem. I also have to take this mirror down. Let's see. We have to take down that painting, the 2 wall lights, and then the ceiling light, which unfortunately we won't be able to use because there's no ceiling light. And I have to admit, that's one of my biggest pet peeves about this apartment, because this corner right here is so dark since there's only 2-3 lights here. So the bed, living room right when you step into the apartment, and then the kitchen, but there's no light right there, so it looks dark. So yeah, I don't know if I'm making any sense, but let's build the last box. Eric is also getting more boxes. I really didn't want to get more boxes, you guys. I just came back upstairs. Eric got here and took all of those boxes. We're making moves, you guys. We're making moves. Estamos jodidos. We are screwed. I had to put the debate because, you know, priorities and staying informed. But I'm like getting such a headache from it, and also just, I don't know, just so disappointed with this country right now. But I'm going to try to continue to pack up the kitchen. As you can see, that's empty. And I have this entire thing also almost empty.